Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how to make creamy almond milk without using any strainer or nut bag or cheesecloth. So we'll be doing that in a normal mixer jar. So let's get started. So I've taken half cup of soaked and peeled almonds. So I had soaked 1/4 cup of almonds overnight. That is about 35 grams of almonds. And now we have quickly made a paste. So I'm just quickly scraping down the sides and I'm going to be grinding it again until I get this smooth paste, and then we'll be adding water to this paste. So 1.5 cup of water I'll be adding to this paste. Now you must have noticed that I didn't add water in the beginning itself. That's because then you don't get this creamy and smooth consistency of almond milk when you're making it in a normal mixer jar, and you might want to strain it later if you are adding water in the beginning. So the reason that I made a paste of almonds and then added water was because I wanted this smooth creamy consistency that has no lumps in it. So we've got a smooth creamy almond milk, and we are going to use it for the next 4 days. So 1/4 cup of almonds gave me half liter of almond milk, and that is about 35 grams of almonds. So I really hope you like this quick recipe, and please let me know your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.